Hey guys, today we are going to be making this pumpkin wreath, and as always this is a homemade luxe craft kit. You find all the materials you need to make this craft kit and many others at homemadeluxe.com. So you've got your materials, you've got your wreath form, you've got your burlap ribbon in orange, green and natural, and you've got some chenille stems. So first step is to turn your wreath form over, cinch the top, scrunch the end of your orange and attach a chenille stem, and then attach your orange ribbon to your wreath form as tightly as you can, making sure that the tail of your burlap is going in the direction that you need it to go, moving from outwards to inwards. It's going to make sense in this step. So now you're going to start pulling that tail out and making loops. You're going to make them, you have three rings of your wreath form, and you're going to pull through your orange burlap through each of those rings. So you're going to end up with 3 loops, and then you're going to scrunch that over, turn it over, and then just flip that a few times to keep it in place, and do it again, starting from the bottom and moving up. You're going to scrunch and pull out your loop, making sure that your loops are about the same length. I would say like 1.5 inches, possibly 2 inches. And you are going to fit 3 rounds on every little section. So that's 2 rounds, and you're going to go one more time. Again, you're going to twist the bottom, and between each section, you can go ahead and secure each section with your chenille stems, making sure that you're cutting those in half so you have enough. It's really not necessary, but at least for the first one, until you get the hang of it, go ahead and secure it. And then you just keep doing that, guys. You're gonna make your loops. It's so easy to do these kinds of wreaths. And once you have this skill, you don't have to do pumpkin wreaths, but you can do all kinds of different wreaths. You can just do regular burlap wreaths, and then you can attach ribbon or anything that you want to that wreath form so it looks cool. And you will make some really, really gorgeous wreaths. So just continue to use this skill. I'm just showing you can continue to go around and around your wreath form until you only have 2 openings, like 2 sections that are open. Here I want to show you this part so you can see when you run out of ribbon, you just kind of, secure that part, the ending of it, and you can cut it off when you're done, and then start anew just like you did before, which is scrunching the end of your new roll of ribbon, because you have 2 orange rolls in your Homemade Luxe kit. And you just start over. You're just going to attach that like you did before to the outer edge, and go ahead and keep doing your loops. Okay, once you've got just 2 sections left, you're gonna switch to using your green burlap, and it's the exact same process for these 2 sections. You're only gonna do 2 sets of loops per section, but you're just gonna do the same thing. You're gonna attach it to the back, and then you're gonna scrunch these forward and create your loops. And once you're finished with that, you're just gonna go ahead and secure the end and just tuck in whatever tail you might have. And that's it for that. You're gonna take your natural burlap and you're just gonna roll it as tightly as you can. You're going to take a chenille stem and secure one end, and then go ahead. You can also hot glue the top to just keep it in the rolled form so it doesn't come apart. But this is probably not necessary. And you just secure your little roll to your wreath form and leave those chenille stems sticking out. Pull it up if necessary, if you can't see it enough, and then go ahead and curl the ends of your burlap, of your chenille stems. So you have kind of like a pixie stem type look for your chenille stems. And that's it, guys. You've got your cute pumpkin wreath. For the back, you can always use felt and cover up the back, or you can use your leftover orange ribbon and just kind of fold it over like this and hot glue it to the back just so it looks a little bit finished. But I just leave mine unfinished at the back. No one sees the back there, and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous wreath. So I hope you enjoyed this month's Homemade Luxe craft kit. Again, you can grab your kit at homemadeluxe.com, and we will see you again next month, guys. Bye-bye.